Hi, my name is Eric Roffer. I'm an associate tax attorney here at Tax Defense Network. One of the things I do here is that I determine a taxpayer's financial ability to pay based on IRS guidelines and laws and figure out what they have the ability to pay versus what the IRS thinks they have the ability to pay. From there, I negotiate a plan that will satisfy both the IRS and the taxpayer and client in a way that they can keep their business up and running and move forward with their tax debt, leave that behind them, and then do everything correctly going forward. A lot of times the taxpayer does not even know his ability to pay, being that his ability to pay is based off of the profits made from his company, which fluctuates month to month. So many times I have to go back and determine what an average monthly ability to pay is, get the IRS to agree to it, and then move forward based on that amount and keeping their personal life separate from their business life. I have one taxpayer that was in the construction field that was not taking adequate steps to correct his tax liability in the past. For instance, he was not depreciating any vehicle expenses, tools, any necessary business expenses, so it appeared at the time to the IRS that he was making more money than he actually was. All the profit he was making was cut in half because of half that profit was going to pay back business expenses. So going forward, he was not going to owe very much tax debt at all. And in the meantime, the IRS was not requiring to pay any of the debt back. Because of the financial analysis, our tax preparation team that went through all his information to figure out what other items he can claim as business expenses that he wasn't previously claiming. He was able to keep his business running, been able to pay his employees payroll tax. He was able to go forward knowing that he was doing things right without having to look over his shoulder. Well, many taxpayers and clients come to us with already have levies and garnishments in place, and they need us to take care of them to go forward. We can do so in a very quick fashion depending on the information we have at the time. If we determine that they have a hardship and the IRS agrees with us, we can get levies or garnishments lifted almost immediately, provided that we have the proper financial information. In summation, my name is Eric Roffer. I'm an associate attorney here with Tax Defense Network, and I look forward to helping you with your tax issues in the future.